Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this. I used some stock footage from Action VFX. It's a really nice website that offers a high realistic VFX assets, and I'm gonna use some ground cracks from their website. If you are a CG artist, you know how much time you have to waste on getting the right look and for the render time and other stuff. And Action VFX did make an advanced tutorial about compositing ground cracks on your scene. You have to check it out. I'll put its link in the description. The main thing that I want to focus in this tutorial is how to get the distortion of the texture of the ground of your scene right and match the ground crack. It will really sell the effects. I have some other tests that I've made, like this one here. If we unsolo the main ground crack, you can see this distortion, and here too. And here. So let's get started. I'm gonna apply this tutorial on this photo because it has so many lines and you can see the effect clearly. Let's delete those assets and go to our ground cracks. Choose the right asset. This one. Drag and drop it. Change the blending mode to hard light and scale it down and put it in the right position right here. Then add a tint effect to remove this blue color, and from the white we can decrease the brightness and now let's preview. Nice, but we need to get this distortion. Let's move it. Let's add brightness and contrast and increase the contrast a bit. Now choose your elements and click on Ctrl Alt C and Ctrl V, and now in this second copy, let's call it, if you press on P, you can see that the position and every properties of the layer are parented to our main ground crack, and even if you pre-comp it, everything that you will change in the main layer it will change to in the copy. Let's pre-comp it. Go to our comp, create a new adjustment layer and add fast blur. Increase the blurriness to 20 and add set matte to, so we won't have those soft edges. Maybe add simple choker to choke the alpha matte. This much. Let's go back to our comp, unsolo this layer, call it displacement map. Let's create an adjustment layer, put it up right above our footage, our main footage. Let's add displacement map. Choose the displacement map layer, change those to luminance, increase the amount of the distortion to 30 by 30, and now we have it. It's that easy. If we preview, really nice. And the cool thing that if you and if after doing the effect you want to change the position of the assets, you can just drag it and the same distortion will happen in the right spot, in the right position. I have some other tests that I've made, like this one here. You can see it. This has a 3D camera. I've tracked the camera. We can just solo the footage and the adjustment to see the distortion. We can go to other test right here. We can see this cool effect on the ground, and this one too. Super realistic. And that's it. I really recommend you to watch the main tutorial that Action VFX made. It will help you create more realistic results, and don't forget to add the distortion effect, as you can see here. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in another one.